Hello my friends and welcome back to another amazing video. In this video I'm going to show you the easiest way to pick image from gallery and display it in your application. Just like this. Here I have two buttons, one of them for picking a single image and the other one to pick multiple images. Let me show you. By pressing this one I can select a single image and it will be displayed here. And by clicking on this one I can select multiple images and see them down below of the first image. You can see these three images are here and the first one is here. Let's jump in. Okay guys, here I have an empty project, and here in the build.gradle I have added the dependency for coil library, and that's it. After syncing, you can start writing the code. Here I need two variables. First, let me tell you why I'm going to use the coil, because we are going to select the images and pick the URI of the images and bring it to the application, and then coil can open the images by their URI directly without any interface. So there is no need to change the URI to bitmap or something else. Directly from URI, it can display it for us. So I'm going to use coil to make it easier. And here I need two variables to store the received URI inside them. So selected image URI by, remember, mutable state of null, and here I'm going to write the type of it, and it should be nullable. Alt enter to import it, and here as well alt and enter, alt and enter. You have it. And Control D to duplicate it for the second variable, and it should be a list. Here also list of URI and empty list. Okay, here we have it. In my channel there is a video about picking images, and it was about the XML, the classical Android system, the XML UI. On that video as well I used result contract and intent, but here in this video again I'm going to use the result contract but without any intent, because in Jetpack Compose we can use it like this. That's why I'm saying that this is the easiest way that we can use. So I need two variables, one of them for picking a single image and the other one picking multiple image. Actually picking one URI and picking a list of URIs. So single image picker launcher equals to, remember, launcher for activity list. I don't need this bracket, and here let's pass it to the next line, and this on this. Okay, here we have two elements. One of them is the command that I'm giving to the launcher to go and pick visual media for me, and the other one is the callback. The result of that launch will sit inside this on result. activity result contracts, and take care. This one with the S at the end, contracts. We need this, not this one. Okay. Contracts and piece visual media at the end, parentheses. And here the result will sit in this URI, and we can pass it to the variable that we have created on the top. URI, this one. Okay. And now let's duplicate it and change some of the important things. The single will be multiple here. This one remains unchanged. Picker. Okay. And this one will be changed. Pick multiple visual media. And here it will be a list. Selected image list equals to URI list. That's it. And parentheses, and that's it. Okay, we have everything that we need here, and let's go to the layout. On the top we need two buttons, and down below we need a lazy column. So I'm going to create a column for the whole UI, a row to hold these two buttons, and then this lazy column inside of that. Okay. The row will hold the buttons for us, so fill max width and maybe a padding of 12 dps. What I'm doing. Finally. Let's have horizontal arrangement the space around, line them up here, a button, or pick a single image and multiple images. That's it. Okay, now inside of this lazy column, I'm going to use two separated UI for this lazy column. One of them for the single image, the other one for multiple images. But let me have it fill max size to occupy all of the area, and a padding of 12 dps again. Inside of it, item and async image, selected image URI tab, and this. modifier dot fill max width and content scale dot graph. Okay, here we have the async image, and here down below items, and I'm going to use this one, the whole array, not the count of it or something. No, this one, the first one. Yeah. Selected image list, and here it will separate this list to single URIs for us, and let's take this, paste it here instead of this, using this variable. That's it here. Okay, down below of this, using a divider, fill max width and dot padding of maybe 8 dps. Let's have 2 of them here and 1 of them here. Okay, so that's it. Now we need to trigger our contract here. To do this, I'm going to call the variables that we have created here. For the first one, single image picker launch dot launch, and inside it again pick visual media request, and inside it we have to define that we need image bitmap or image only, image and video, or whatever we want, and I'm going to select the image only, and that's it. Let me copy and paste it here, and instead of this, multiple image picker launcher. Okay, everything is done, I think. Let's check it. Okay, here let's pick a single image. Let's pick this one and multiple images, 1, 2, 3. Okay, I have the single image on the top and the multiple images down below. That was everything about this topic, and I hope you liked it. If you like it, please give me a thumbs up, and if you are new in the channel, please hit the subscribe button to be aware about the new videos. If you want to financially support me, please hit the thanks button and do it. And nothing else. See you in the next videos. Bye bye.